How's it? Crazy, no? Such a sexy chef, man. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to another crazy day in my life. Today, look at me. I just released my official trailer to my song, and on my Instagram. So please go watch it and please show some love and stay tuned for the song. It's coming out on 19th. I hope you guys will like this song and I'm very excited. It's been years I've been waiting to release this song. And officially I released my trailer today. I mean the teaser, whatever it is, same trailer, teaser, ek ho sakte hain. Yeah, so as you guys can see, how Chef Zal is. Look at me. No, backless chef.
बहुत मनुष्य लग रहे हो, मत करो, रहने दो, बहुत बुरे लग रहे हो, तौबा तौबा तौबा, थारा मूड खराब कर दिया.
Why are you laughing? Backless chef. So yeah, so today we're going to show you how to make egg burji. Okay? I mean, show you meaning je kona teng da koi ta. Kot teng ka tum tero sa choya hai no. It's going to be exciting. It's going to be fun. Yeah, so watch it. So for egg bhurji, we need like 2 onions, 1 big tomato. I'll chop this first and keep it aside, and then we'll do the rest of the things later. But for now, I was boiling this sweet corn. So this is not necessary. If you guys want to put it, you guys can add this in your bhurji. If not, it's complimentary there. Complimentary, supplementary there. So there. Okay, so yeah, so let's start it. As you guys can see, I've just peeled the onions, and now always after peeling the onions, make sure you wash the onions because so this Cyrus is going to eat my brains today. Alright guys, break ke baad, check, look at my chopping skills. Don't come so close, go.
I know to chop. Yeah, look at it.
Gordon Ramsay, if you can do this, DM me.
भाई साहब कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये, मतलब कुछ भी.
Look at it. Now I'll put it aside. काजल, मैं तेरे प्यार में मर जाऊंगा. काजल, काजल, मेरे को बचा ले. काजल, काजल.
चले एक काम कर, 200 रुपए दे और 50 रुपए काट ओवर एक्टिंग की वजह से.
Yeah, can you guys tell me in the comment section why do you tear up when you cut an onion and how to get rid of it? After chopping the onions, look at my halat. Just look at my halat. Yeah, so now it's time for the tomato, and then I need chilies. Bebe, can you go get me chilies from the fridge?
Yes, of course.
Alright guys, the onions and the tomatoes are chopped, and now it's time for chilies. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 chilies because we love eating spicy food. So you can put 2, 3 as per your spice level. And if you don't like, if you don't love your bonk, then you can put 6 chilies like me. Alright guys, everything has been chopped up and the onions are chopped, tomatoes are chopped, green chilies, cilantro, everything is chopped. Now it's time to cook. And to cook, you need a big pan, like this big boy. Okay? What the flip? Alright guys, let's start cooking. And I'm not going to use oil for this bhurji. Instead, I'm going to use this butter. So, because everyone loves butter. So, let the pan heat up and then we'll put the butter in. Yeah, and look at me. Hilton of chef, professional. Experienced Hilton chef with biceps. Crazy, no? I got good biceps, no? Without going to the gym. Crazy. Okay, let's put the butter in. Let the butter melt in that. Alright guys, let's start my masterpiece. And this video is especially for those who don't know to cook. This is an easy breakfast. So put your onions in a pan and then saute it. Not for too long, until it gets soft. And I'll be using 6 eggs for this bhurji. Yeah. So my sangilna murshay. Oh, you have to put the tomato thing. Guys, I'm telling you, I'm better than Rudy. Rudy, if you're watching this video, I'm better than you. I'm a better chef than you. Look at me, Hilton. Alright guys, she'll be putting the masalas. So little bit of chili powder. Put. Little bit more. Little bit. No, not too much. Okay, puro. And then turmeric. It's my recipe, guys, so I don't allow anyone, but
This much?
I put. Yeah, and salt. Salt, put it. Yeah, put. Enough. That's it. That was her part. Thank you very much. And see you back again. Alright guys, after putting the masalas, whatever, salt, turmeric and chili powder, I'm going to put the eggs now. I'm going to crack the eggs in.
Put all the eggs, like all the 6 eggs, and then dynamically, and then you put it. Alright, so this is how it should look. Look at this.
This, and then you mix it. Put the flame on high now, and now you mix it. Mix everything well until it becomes like a bhurji. It is a bhurji, but I'm telling you, guys, I forgot to put the chilies. I quando to nakaugasna. Ugasna chilies galo. So I put the chilies. So I forgot to put the chilies. So guys, you have to put the chilies when you're putting the tomatoes in. Yeah, so I forgot to put the chilies. So I put the chilies now. Look at it. Look at my bhurji, guys. Look at it. I'm telling you guys, I can put a garo in Goa. I can survive in Goa. I can make bhurji and I can sell. I'm telling you, I can survive in Goa. 100%. So if anyone wants to sponsor me a garo, please comment and I'll get back to you. Soneta London bhai, go London sod kaam kar le. Zain onion better tha London kaam karo. Alright guys, as I've told you, this is completely optional. If you guys want to put sweet corn in your bhurji, you can put, otherwise, because I love sweet corn. We both of us, me and Densia, we love sweet corn. So we're going to add sweet corn in our bhurji. Alright guys, and for the final touch, some cilantro. Yes, and my bhurji is done. So let's do the taste.
हाय हाय गलती से मिस्टेक हो गई सॉरी
Taste, sorry. Taste, sorry. Do it. So my bhurji is ready. Alright guys, let's do the taste test. How's it?
No,
It's nice, no? Not that bad.
not too bad.
Aye. Nice, no?
No.
Yeah, it's nice. It's decent. I can open a gado now in Goa, right? I thought, no? Gira, ipan maka?
अबे जल्दी बोल, कल सुबह पनवेल निकलना है।
And if you guys like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.